Small land, big income? Yes, friends, today we are revealing 10 high-value crops that can turn even a small farm into a profit-making paradise. If you think farming needs big land to earn big money, think again. What you grow is more important than how much land you own. These crops need less space, less water, but give high returns and strong market demand. Low space, high return. That's smart farming. Here are 10 high-value crops every small farmer should know. Number 1. Turmeric, a golden root with global demand. Organic turmeric earns premium prices in India and abroad. Mushrooms, grow indoors, low investment, quick harvest. Oyster and button mushrooms mean fast profits. Stevia, the natural sweetener replacing sugar. Huge demand in health-conscious markets. Aloe Vera, used in cosmetics, Ayurveda and juice industries. Low care, drought-resistant, steady income. Dragon fruit, an exotic superfruit with high returns. Grows well even in dry soil and looks stunning on your farm. Colored capsicum, a hotel and supermarket favorite. With shade net farming, returns can be 3 to 4 times higher. Broccoli and lettuce. Urban markets love them. Grow in winter and sell directly to city or online buyers. Medicinal herbs. Tulsi, Ashwagandha, Brahmi. Always in demand by Ayurvedic and pharma companies. Marigold flowers. Low cost, fast-growing and always in demand for festivals, weddings and temples. And finally, chili. India can't live without spice. With proper drying, you can sell chilies all year round. To succeed with high-value crops, remember this. Test your soil and climate. Start small. Even 0.25 acre is enough. Use drip irrigation to save water. Sell directly to local or online markets. Choose organic. It earns more trust and profit. Farming isn't about having big land. It's about having a big vision. With the right crop, even 1 acre can feed a family and fund a future. So tell me, what's your next crop? Comment below. Like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and don't forget to subscribe to discover agriculture.